Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your watch history on TikTok. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to delete your watch history on TikTok, first launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner to head over to your profile. Next, once you're in your profile, tap on the menu button, the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. And then on the next menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down, and under Content and Display, tap on Activity Center. On the next menu, tap the first option which says Watch History. And here you can see all of my watch history. So to be able to delete them, all I need to do is long press on each video and then tap on Delete. You can do that if you want to individually delete videos from your watch history, or if you want to delete them all at the same time, tap on Select. Then next tap Select All Watch History at the bottom of the screen, and then finally tap on Delete. And this is going to delete all of your watch history on TikTok. And that's all it takes to delete your watch history on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.